Hey guys, I'm on another roof, and a lot of these guys, here's another one where you can see how these are all zippered. Watch this. That nail and these two nails. That nail's out, that nail's in. So that's how these get affected from this. And it becomes tighter as you go down here. So this is not damaged, not damaged, not damaged, but here out is damaged from wind. All of this through here. Three here, 6 on the other side, 4 or 5 here, 5 here, 2 there. It's miscellaneous, sporadic, but what typically we're going to do is shim all these shingles